Good morning, everyone. This is Matthew GS here. In today's video, we're going to be comparing data between TradingView and ctrader. We're going to be looking at if we got the same broker on TradingView and the same broker on ctrader, if the data is exactly the same or if there's any discrepancies. Now, I did post a video today regarding my trading strategy, the 513.62 EMA strategy, and the latest update on that was that it appears that the broker's data between TradingView and ctrader was the same. I did query it at the start because it did look like it was slightly different, and then for some reason after querying that over the weekend, the data seemed to be the same, but I said I will look at this moving forward, and I can confirm just by looking at the live data that it appears that there is some slight discrepancies. So on the left hand side, this is the ctrader panel, and what I've done is I've just split this in half, and then we've got TradingView on the right hand side. So on TradingView, I do have all my broker pairs set up. So as you can see, fpmarkets is for absolutely everything in the metals category, and we are currently looking at gold versus the US dollar. So gold is on the right hand side in TradingView, and then gold is on the left hand side. So as you can see from the left hand side in ctrader, there's this blue slight bullish candle here, but if you look on the right hand side, there's no blue bullish candle. Now this is exactly the same broker, but the data is slightly different, and it's not the end of the world. I mean, if you wanted to trade just on TradingView, then that's absolutely fine with that broker. But if you're doing what I'm doing and I trade on ctrader, what you're seeing on TradingView is obviously going to be slightly different. But let's have a look at the current price point. So on the left hand side, the current price is 2650.56. 260.50.56. Okay, so the price is actually exactly the same on ctrader and TradingView, which is a good thing. However, visually looking at the data, it is slightly different. And like I said, it's not really the end of the world, but it's something to be mindful of when you're trading two different platforms. Caught a nice sell at the moment. Currently, I actually am in a sell on gold, and I go over this on my trading strategy, but we have had the 5 and the 13 EMA crossover, and as you can see, price can't actually break above the 13 EMA, so we're looking like we are bearish. TP1 I've got here, and this is currently... can't really show you what the profit is, but it's looking quite tidy. And then I've got targets actually to go down to, I reckon, this level here. This is where I reckon gold is heading towards. But anyways, looking at gold, the data is slightly different. When we look at Bitcoin, let's just go over to Bitcoin, cryptos, Bitcoin. Okay, so with Bitcoin, let's have a quick look at the price. 63,892, 63,890. So the price is pretty much the same, which is good to see because they are the same broker. So the price is the same. Visually, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candles. On ctrader, got 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candles. So Bitcoin, I mean, I've looked at Bitcoin before and it actually looks the same. So Bitcoin actually looks good. Let's just zoom out here a little bit. This is where I think Bitcoin is heading towards this last down candle before this up move. So visually, Bitcoin looks exactly the same, which is good. Let's have a quick look at US 30. US 30. US 30 is 42320, 42300. Okay, so 42321. Yeah, so that is actually the same price on US 30, and visually it does look actually slight different actually. So on the C trader on the left hand side, we've got this white bearish candle here, which is slight manipulation. Can you see how it rised to this level here before dropping? But on this side, this white candle here, there is no manipulation where the wick, can you see this candle here does not have that wick that comes up? But on the left hand side, you do have the wick that comes up. So the data is slightly different between ctrader and tradingview. I would say conclusion is that the data is going to be different, even though you are looking at the same broker. So just wanted to do this live test and show everyone that the platform and the broker, it does all make a difference. I mean, in an ideal world, I would just like to just trade on ctrader. The reason why at this moment in time, I am trading on two different platforms is because I really like the alerts with TradingView for this strategy. I do know that there's some alerts for this strategy on ctrader. I will be testing those at some point just to see if they're as good as the TradingView alerts. But yeah, for now, I'm just going to be analyzing on TradingView. So yeah, just a conclusion that the data is slightly different, even though you're looking at the same broker, and this is testing fpmarkets. If you're interested in my trading strategy, I do post weekly videos on it. So please check out the 51362 EMA strategy on my channel. Look forward to seeing you there. Please subscribe if you got any value, and I will see you in the next one.